Aloha, everybody. Thank you for being with us tonight. Another cluster of COVID-19 has been confirmed at a Pearl City nursing home. As of this afternoon, there are 6 confirmed cases there. Health experts say they expect to see more clusters appear if people let their guard down and continue to gather. Nikki Schenfeld joins us with more.
As COVID numbers continue to rise across the state, Dr. Scott Miskovich and his team have kept busy.
We're doing the strike team testing. This is the testing when you have an outbreak and you need to be on the spot immediately. And I can't even publicly announce how many different places we've had to go that are workplaces, the nursing homes, etc.
His team was called to Pearl City Nursing Home 2 days ago after an employee tested positive for COVID.
Within about a period of 18 hours, we had all 101 residents tested, as well as almost 200 staff tested. And that's where we found out that there were 4 positive residents and then another staff member. So far it is 6 total individuals on 2 different floors.
His team will go back tomorrow and on Friday and test all 300 people again until they have 2 consecutive weeks of 0 cases. Through contact tracing, he says more clusters will appear, but with test results coming back slowly, the virus is able to spread.
But it doesn't help us if you get a result 7 days from now or 10 days from now to then go backward and contact trace, because you're going to have that many more people to trace. So many things could happen with the individual that you need to do it right away.
Which is why Dr. Miskovich says residents need to keep the mentality that they had back in March and April when the pandemic began, which he says was similar to preparing for a hurricane.
We need to turn that back on because there is another hurricane and a tsunami coming at Hawaii, and people need to turn that attitude that we all know so well living in the middle of the Pacific, that we need to be serious about this.
He says many new cases have also come from people gathering in close confined areas, which contributes to the spread as well. And with cases surging on the mainland, he says now is not the time to reopen to visitors.
There's no chance we should be opening up right now. It's a perfect storm. You have surges in the mainland, so if you look across the country, many states are saying, listen, if you're coming from Florida or if you're coming from another state, you've got to quarantine. We're not the only ones quarantining.
Nikki Schenfeld, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.